Good morning, class. So happy that everyone is here today. We are having class outside because it's so nice. Today we're going to be learning about some addition. What I'd like you to do is answer the questions all together, okay? And then I'll call on you individually for some responses. Here's our first problem. It says 1 plus 1 equals, I want you to all think about it. Ready to answer together? 2! Oh, Spaz, hold on. We want to answer all together, okay? Ready, and 2! Very good. Thanks for answering all together. Here's the next problem. 2 plus 1 equals, ready to answer all together? 3! Very good. Here's the next problem. Now I'm going to call on you individually, so be ready. 3 plus 1 equals 4! Oh, Spaz, hold on. I'm going to call on you, and then you can give me the answer, okay? Sorry, teacher. That's okay. Thanks for being willing to participate. So the problem is 3 plus 1 equals... Jim, can you give us the answer? It's 4. Very good. 4 is correct. Here's our last problem. 4 plus 1 equals... Justin, can you give us the answer? 5. Very good. You guys all answered so well and together. Thanks for doing that.